So guys, first method, come to gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. You have to download the driver, and you can see here search button. Click on that, just right click to paste and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then this one, Z690 AORUS master. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using. You can see of this operating systems to install any version driver. LAN driver. So first one, and click to download. Just open, single click to, and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Close it.